More for You is sponsored by Las Vegas Vein and Cancer Care Center Las Vegas.
All right, everybody, welcome back to More, and welcome to a new franchise called More for You. And this morning we are bringing More for You with the help of Dr. Navneet Sharda from Cancer Care Center. And today we're talking about radiation treatments and improvements that you can help with, which is a huge thing. And any type of comfort and making it easier is got to be a better thing.
Absolutely.
Yeah.
My entire career, I've been focused on giving the best cancer treatment without all those real bad side effects.
Oh, that is so nice to hear. All right, so I have some questions that I wrote down for you. For instance, Cancer Care offers up a unique and convenient treatment for those who need radiation treatment. Can you tell us specifically what that is?
Okay, so when a person has cancer, probably about half the patients will require surgery. About half to 3/4 of the patients will require radiation therapy, and maybe half or maybe 60% require chemotherapy. So each one of those modalities has a specialist involved in that.
Okay.
I'm a radiation oncologist, and I also focus a little bit more on the integration of all the cancer modalities.
Okay.
So as I developed my cancer center, I focused on the fact that an awful lot of patients were dying from the treatments, the side effects of the treatments.
Right.
And it was just very, very difficult for them. And there are techniques that I was working on during residency, which I then applied to my own cancer center.
Okay.
I was one of the first 3 of cancer centers in the United States to introduce something called a dynamic arc intensity modulated radiation therapy, which we'll go over just a little bit more.
Yeah, no, I want to hear more about that, because I didn't know the last 6 words you said. I have no idea what you said, but I know it's very important. So break that down.
Yeah. All right. So we have some pictures about this too.
Okay, let's show them.
But what you can see is a video graphic of a patient's anatomy. As we lay them on the table, we adjust the table to make sure that we're targeting the tumor, and the tumor is that little spot that's red in the center.
Where the blue, and then the blue is going over it.
That's correct.
Okay.
And the blue represents a very directed radiation therapy beam. And it is as you can see, it is targeting the specific tumor from 360 degrees. And that.
So if it pinpoints it, then the side effects, you won't have as many side effects, because you're not, you really narrow it in.
Exactly.
Okay.
So I think all of us have taken a magnifying glass.
Yes.
In the sunlight.
Yeah.
And you can just
get that dot right on it.
Exactly.
Oh, okay.
And so that's kind of what I do with radiation treatments. So I create kind of a pseudo magnifying lens. And I do that with radiation.
Well, people are so scared when they go through this treatment, and to have this comfort knowing that you'll really decrease the side effects is really good to know. All right, we're out of time, but let people know where they can get a hold of you.
Okay. They can get a hold of me at 3509 East Harmon Avenue.
Okay.
And the website is www.cancercarelasvegas.com.
All right, Dr. Navneet Sharda with our first More for You.
All right.
Thank you.
Okay.
All right. And be sure to stay tuned, by the way, because you're going to stay for the live face. We're going to do it together. Great. So if you really have a question, we can break it down for you. It's hard to do in 3 minutes, but you can go to our Facebook page right after this and send your questions to our @MoreFox5 on Facebook. All right, thanks, Doc. We'll see you soon.